What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Glitchtrap from Five Nights at Freddy's. Let's begin today's lesson at the top of our page and draw two large circles for the eyes. Now I'm going to leave a gap in between the eyes, so let's start with the one on the left. Start from the very top, bring this down towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. And leave that gap and draw the same size circle on the right. So let's line up the top, bring that down towards the same height, and then back up towards the top. Let's add in the eyelids. We're going to start on the left side of the circle, bend this up, and then in. Line this up on the right, going out and then down towards the right side. I'm going to pull the iris and pupil towards the inside of the eyes. Let's start from the top, draw a small circle, going all the way around, leaving a gap on the inside, and then draw that same size circle on the right. Let's add a small black dot in the center for the pupil. Let's add 3 points along the top of each eyelid. We're going to start in the middle, then go up and then down. Let's add one more on either side. Do the same thing on the right. And then we'll fill each of those points in black. Let's connect the inside of the eyelids with a curve. We're going to go up in the middle and then back down. Now you want to line up with the bottom edge of the eyes, move to the center and draw a circle for the nose. Add a small circle across the top for a highlight. And then we'll fill the bottom of the nose in black. Now from here we're going to work our way across the top of the mouth. From the bottom of the nose, draw a short line coming down. Let's curve the left side. We're going to come down and then bend that up towards the side. Go back to the center and do the same thing over on the right side. Let's add a bracket across the corners of the mouth. Now let's draw the bottom of the mouth. Starting back over on the left, bend this down in the middle, go across, and then up. Now from the bottom of the mouth on the side, angle this up and in about halfway. Connect the top with a curve, coming down and then up. In the middle, draw a straight line coming down. Move out to the side, draw two lines coming down for the top row of teeth. And then on either side, add two short lines to separate the bottom row. Now let's fill the outside of the mouth in black. Let's go to the bottom of the eyes. We're going to curve the cheeks around the corners of the mouth. So we'll start on the left, going out, come down, and then in. And then we'll follow the curve of the mouth, going down, across the chin, and then back up. Now let's draw on the top of the head. We start on top of the left cheek. We're going to go straight up. Let's round out the head, come across, and then down on top of the right cheek. And then we'll layer in the eyebrows. Let's line up with the inside of the left eye, step up, go up, and then come down toward the side, go to the right, and do the same thing. Now let's add two sets of whiskers on either side. Directly underneath the left eye, just gonna go around, just wiggle that out, step down, draw that again, going across the mouth and cheek. Let's go to the right side and do the same thing. Now let's place the ears on top of the head. We're going to start on the left side. Let's bend this up and go all the way out towards the end. Let's round out the ear, come down about halfway, and then bend that in. Let's add that fold. We're going to step back, curve down, and then in towards the side of the head. Let's line up the top over on the right side, bend the ear going out, and then up. It's going to bend the ear going out, and then down. Now I'm going to add that same fold, round out the tip of the ear, come down, and then in. Let's add that fold by stepping out, come down and in towards the side of the head. Now you want to trace each section of the ear along the inside. So start from the top, just going around, and then back up. Let's add a patch across the bottom. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Now you want to add some stitch lines across each of those patches. So let's start on the top left, just varying the length and also the space in between. And then move over and do the same thing on the right. Now that we complete the head, let's move down and draw on that large bow tie. We'll start with the side of the knot, leaving a gap in the middle, draw 2 lines coming down, and then we'll round out the bottom. For the bottom corners of the knot, bend the tie coming down and out towards the side. Round out the corner, and then bend that in. Let's add one more curve, going out and then in underneath the head. Let's add a fold on the side of the knot, bending this up and then out. And then from the outside of the tie, we're just going to bend the body going out and then down towards the hip. Go out and then down. Line this up on the right. Now let's bend the body coming down and in towards the center point. And then on the side of the body, we'll draw the edge of the vest. Let's start underneath the tie, come down, and then bend that out just up above the hips. Let's add 2 small buttons in the middle, and just fill those in black. And then along the bottom, we're going to add a curve starting underneath the vest, coming down, and then up. Now from that center point, let's draw the inside of the legs. Let's start with the left side, come down, and then bend that out. Go back to the center, come down and out towards the right. Let's add a fold, so we step back up, bend this in, and then down towards the heels. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. From the heel, come down and up towards the first toe. Now on the end, we're going to draw a large C shape for the first toe, going around and then down, leaving a gap on the inside. Let's layer 2 more toes along the side. Now going back up to the hips, let's draw the outside of the thigh, bend this out, down, and then in. And then we're going to step back up, come down, and then bend that out on top of the second toe. Let's separate the ankle with a curve coming down and then up on both sides. Let's connect the body with the legs with some stitch lines going across. So we'll start from the outside, just like we did with the patches inside the ears. Now let's move back up and draw on the arms. We're going to start right where the tie meets the body, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist on both sides. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, come down and bend that up around that bracket. And then from the side, add the second finger coming in. And then the third finger, we're going to go all the way around, blend this into the arm, coming in towards the side of the tie. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now let's separate the wrist. Start from the top of the thumb, bend this up and then out. And then going halfway up the arm, add another curve, going up and then out. Now let's add those stitch lines across each of those lines. And now we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Glitchtrap from Five Nights at Freddy's. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. We've got some exciting news to share with all of you. We're offering a variety of incredible options to level up your art skills. Join our exclusive masterclass memberships for just $1 a month, or catch more free tutorials on our Excel sketch channel every week. Don't miss out on any of these amazing opportunities, so subscribe or join today.